man. Yeah man guys, welcome back. We're there again on part 2 of the shooting video I do on the grill since recently. Okay.
Well done, boy.
Bird season has started, man, and now we start.
Working, man.
Dead.
Watch out!
Yeah, man. Bag him. Oh, go on.
People, they're shooting.
Whoa, Kufida. One more time.
Nah, I'm so easy, guys. I'm tough.
Alright, go on, Mickey. I want to catch his zoom shot. Come on, ground. Guys, I said he's firing good from morning. Like, this cool.
And peeps, see man.
Cool. You have to go with fear you in there, you know, kind of none.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wing pop.
Like Chid.
Man, people be alright them, you know. As I say, I have to talk about white trigger man, watch out. But there, I will get some of the bird them cook up. Today we plan to do some soup. And as you can see, we have grown provisions over here, sir. And stuff, necessary stuff to make the soup possible, right? We have the carrot, this out it. We have the flour, skin and thyme. You have the bird here. You have corn, pumpkin, piece of yellow yam. And we there get to stick them, cut up, like you see me, cause, man, a joke thing, man. Yeah man guys, time to get started right now. Get the pot on the fire with a bit of water. Start boil up, put in the bird in the night, Stick and steel for a go on. Right about now, we're gonna take out the ones that we're gonna use for the soup. Because we're gonna jerk a few as well.
Look, man, you can't know about fire. I beg you to beg me catch fire, people, you see me? Yeah, I'm catch fire, man. When you're talking about fire, you can mention my name, you know?
So yeah, fireman the boss.
Yeah, you can call it that. Yeah.
Well, I don't say anything in my boss. So yeah man, people. Soup. Soup and jerk, Tremendous. I'm gonna jerk a few of them. This good now.
Yeah.
Yeah man, peeps today they get the bird them slice up in some smaller cubes anyway. As you can see, it's a whole lot, so it's gonna take a bit of time, but nevertheless still getting through, right? Yeah. Yeah man guys. So it's the last little piece. So, me now peeps, I like to use a little bit of Maggi season before I put it in the pot, you know. Give it that special taste. You understand? Not that much, but a little. You see me? I see a lot of people are calling me, like, I'm not in the bookings right now because I have some stuff I deal with. You see me? Not in the bookings right now. So, put it in my pot. Yeah man, please make that go and cook, you know. In the meantime, I get the yonkin and the vegetable and the corn and then thing the cut up. Yeah. So yeah man guys, in the meantime, we'll get some bird jerk, you know. Yeah, you can see me. Alright, the seeds them a couple of minutes ago. We make them go and marinate, you understand? The seeds soak so right now. Meanwhile, bird are boil. Go and jerk some bird, you know? You see them, my boss.
So yeah man people, me there go and cut up the youngkin. Go and cut up the youngkin, you know. The young man there do a thing on him finger there so. Show people them man, I try to show them, but not show it too long. I regular me tell them to just me angle this thing here, you know, but more take over a part, you see me? Yeah, go and cut up the youngkin. Put the pan on fire same way. See me? See me?
Alright.
People just stick and stay tuned, you know? Yeah.
Should I look up now? No, man, it's good. I don't want to see a screw up a face in a come in the lane, yeah?
Your face. You can't tell me what to do with my face.
No, me I tell you a thing.
Yeah?
Lane run different. Yo.
Watch out. Allah. I just you say by your face.
The leader run different, you know. Yo. The leader run different, you
I
know.
run the whole place.
From where?
I know
Where?
what you ask me.
Yeah,
Say. What
yeah.
you tell me, say? I run the whole place now. Whole go. How do you? You're king for your teeth. You're kangaroo.
Yeah man guys, come take a look in the pot where they go on the pot, you see me? Yeah man, the reason why we put the bird first before the pumpkin, they're more tougher so. Pumpkin next, you see me? Fung man. See me so? You're gonna make it two of them. The bird and the pumpkin boil out, then when we see other steps from that, you know? Me they control the pot man, you see me? Yeah, cause what do you mean I put my phone and stroke, you know. When I look at one number coming from overseas, you know. See them look about my visa and things come with the book and cook and things. But I not take no bookings right now as we use it, but you see me, we have some work on it. We not take no bookings right now.
We have some bird over here, so go on. The said way, you know. Yeah man peeps, you know, see what go on there.
Hold on, because I cannot see in there yet, you know. Yeah,
No, the steam, you know.
yeah, me see a thing there now,
See
yeah.
that flash burn checking, you see one mad thing.
Yeah man, you don't know. crazy buds eating out and
See that guy said we know. Man, see Luna, you see him way. See me. Bird them over there, as I said we.
yeah, man, for real. You know, see, yeah, man, see bird them, I don't know. Yeah?
Yeah?
When you see flash bird in your house, and you know you go. And crazy stuff. Bubbles, you can't make your bird them burn up and you have to turn them, you know? You know what I mean? See the guys, you don't know what is. Barbie ball plate. Yeah, man, see it there. You don't know. You are going to enjoy yourself to come up on this. Crazy bird eating. Soup on the fire. And they come up and now we have some rum to beat up. So you know where you go. Go and tune in, you know where you go. Right? Yeah.
Peeps, see there. Bro, them active said way. All I man them.
Yo, Jaga, what about Visu?
We are going to dash with it. So take a piece now.
If you're ready.
So many situations you get left.
The one on your top, it's broke one. The one on the bottom.
Hey, we gonna put it. Say man, people rain catch you, you know. Me all damn mince up so you can't and the carrot over here, but the rain from when I just be a rain me I get, you know, but sunshine still there. It come like a all island rain, like everywhere in Jamaica rain, but that now stop we. You see me? See you pack the pound fair there. You know. Man, I put up the umbrella said we. See me? All it. I'm a good said way, so I'm going to continue to cut up the corn, cut up the carrot them already and put them in the pot. See pot, yeah? Don't think so, no joke thing. See me? Yeah, catch the color already. So, stay tuned. See man, people who finally get the pumpkin and the corn cut up. And the next 2 hard things to cook, so them we are dealing with, you know. See me? Them they go and cook. Stick and stay tuned with there and I rain. No.
See ya man guys, the rain mash up all the way, you know, so we have to the whole little shelter and I go and do things said way, and as you can see is in an abundant bus with it. I try to put in the work said way, so peeps, please not beg to subscribe.
Yeah man, peeps, cause until I say I don't know a little bit of hard work we put out in man. Put in some real work for me to get some content to watch, so just like, comment, share and subscribe and tell you what you thoughts, and if you can go as far as to tell me what next you want, you see me? You know, we'll try our best to make it work, to make the content them you want. You know. So we're gonna mix the flour and get in the back.
So yeah man guys, see there, just cut them in some small cubes. I'm gonna put them in the pot right now. See la. Yeah man, peeps, you know. Look at that. And I live with a joke man. In the area. What you say?
Yeah, man. Yeah, we're there. Some bird soup. Nothing beat that, you see?
Nothing beat that.
Yeah, man, I tell you. So tune in, guys.
Alright. So, yeah man, peeps, see there. I'm gonna start the floor here now. As I can see. So, really hard man style, no? Outdoor.
What is it? Spinners or what?
Finals, man. Oh, you guys can roll up there.
Oh, spinners, you know. Them are they call spinners. Stop them so big. And peeps over there. They are go roll the spinners them, you know.
we can't all feel, we don't want feel.
Oh, pack soap. Yes, if you give it to me, quick chop 2 and 9 pack, no? Man, people see last, yeah? I use it make something, you see me? Done, you see me? Get the fire up and running. Only thing left now, I look like skeleton type and kapak noodle. You see me? Stay tuned. Come close. Wait till the steam blow off. Do me a bigger, yeah? Do me a bigger. Wait till the steam blow off. Guys, looking at pot, man. Me Jesus. Me know say the spoon where we have, guys. We only see we cookie rooster soup with that broke. We don't know how it broke on the iron. So we have to use what we have right now until we can afford to get back one more. You see me? So don't want the spoon. You know. Yeah. But boy, me I tell you wait till me start going to plate as some style. Yeah? Rise up back. Rise up back, no my boy. Rise up back! No, you're frightened. Alright guys, we'll cover him up back. Make a room I go and stay in when I want to come out because my nose go mash up and I go catch flu on one bag or something. You see me? Jay gone if he cup them. I just, the last thing them well if you go in night, I just pack noodle and scallion and thyme. And we if you get some okra, when we reach a day, Igla him same have no okra, so just use our have, you see me? So just stick and stay tuned people. Yeah man.
Yeah man, take time to get in the roasted noodle, you know? I'm not working on name. I can't pronounce the name are good.
So what more I ask to say, like you take a part for me, like you take a
Eh? Because I see you there angle for business, so.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Something, Papa?
All people in the scene pot now, you know?
Yeah man guys, so I go on there.
Down there look nice.
You like you see me?
Like you have corn, youngkin, birds, a lot of things down there.
Give it a little mix, you know?
Some man people just wash off with scallion them, you know. This are the last thing if you go in the soup pot, you know, last but not least, you see me? Some man people see them scallion on time. This, you always want this in your soup. No matter what, make sure you have a scallion on time to go in the last. You see me? Yeah. Yes. Control. See me? Don't stop you know. Why any man can't breathe nothing to the other people? Me I telling you the truth, you know. You see one youth when you brass, and one youth when you Ray, they call them specially. You see me? Specially me they call them. Because they have to get a youth. You can't reach 60 or 50 and you don't get a youth. And the good style is something there. You see me? Yeah, and a good style is something. So we'll cover up him back. You don't want the aroma come out. You want the state in style. Yeah, laugh, cuz! Nah, man, laugh, man. Alright.
You teach me, you know?
So daddy did teach me to take off hot pot off of fire. Soup. Yeah?
Yeah man guys, you know? Yo, you know soup man? You know soup?
Man, people, it's a funny part come off, you know what time it is, you know? Share out time. So, you go and do it right, you know? So, in time everything done share out, you're gonna make you know what time it is. And then everybody they get a touch at it, you know? Yeah.
You don't want a bird in there?
See, all people, Jay, they go and get the plate them share out We portal a couple things. Moon are there same way. I've film already. What you say you got cousin? See there?
I got true believer, man.
Mm-hmm.
I take out some of the pants because to me pan the go.
Yeah.
But you know you go we catch up.
Alright, safe journey, my boss. So people, they are going to share out some plates said we, you know.
Oh, say come. Follow me. Yeah, man, peeps have a flash behind this, you know.
Yeah, man.
The man himself.
Yeah, man, you don't know enough.
Yeah, we taste you and tell them what they go hang it up, man.
I mean, as a kid, I like say. Yeah, man, me I tell you people, for real. Me I tell you.
I'm not joking.
Sick.
Yeah, man, you ready, man? Aight, for real.
Yeah. There go get. Oh, you come down, Bob.
Bad man.
Kobe? Active. So, alright, that the man there. You see me? But they are going to look on the pad people. I don't need them already. No more than left in night. About 50 plate you share it there already, but me I tell you say it rain run me people them see it there. It rain mash me up guys, I just that me couldn't see get to see most of the people them eat right as well. But it is what it is. You see me? Yeah.
Me the shirt for me go on no man.
Knock it till we can go back for a second run cause yo, come in man. You don't want somebody soup?
What you mean?
Nothing.
Go all fresh.
Oh, okay.
Yeah man, take up bread man. Yo, bread in there man.
Take up bread, man.
Yeah man, peeps a big man them, you know. Come in a place and get some food, you understand? Yeah. Yeah man, peeps, you to take seconds, you know.
Yeah man people, me lick off this already man, and my nose run water to a soup man.
No, once you say 5, you know, cousin.
You know when my boy they say 5? Mad. So, come on people, it's a good one, you know. See man can't take up soup man as they take up soup. Yeah, people they go and enjoy themselves. You see me? You see Brass take up one cup of soup. You see me? I think take up it. Actually, not get no youth. I super working, you know. Man, a big old 50 and I don't get no youth. It look bad. But people, I go close out and you know, I go just get the pot and the thing then clean up back. Get everything, get the place clean up back. As you can see, a month we not do video up here, so we just go and clean up back the place. We go start roast some bread up here, so see them here. We want to back this up, we have to go clean off back. You know. So just stick and stay for more. We have a lot of epic contents coming. See all Porter fall in same way.
Yeah, man, me I tell you say drink with my friend.
You say like
Yeah, man, me don't take some more, but yeah, me don't take some more.
yeah, check it out pot man, cause something goes lean there, you know. But yeah man guys, and just stick and stay out for
Bad must there. Yeah. Bad must there. But not in my pot.
stick and stay for the next one guys. We have a lot more coming. You have video with the work on same here.
When you done that, you make another baby. Boy, first sit me sit, boy.
Anybody ready?
I ain't bought meat no tough.
I'm gonna taste some pepper.
Bought meat no tough. I mean, bought some pepper. Oh, you kidding me?
Now same thing flash bread, say man.
You bossy man.
You know.
First sit me, push it, I pepper see this one.
Guys, just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, you know. Cause I work for work, we do have 15. See there? That rain me now. They do video for you see me, that's me can get to watch.
Clean surrounded, said we. I
As me say, we are clean up the place, but we just stick and stay for more, you know. Drop your thoughts, tell you what kind of video you want next if you want we do fishing, crab hunting. Because a lot of rain and fall, we can hunt crab, but we don't have to make we know no start. So just stick and stay for the next one, you see me? Cinco.